Good morning. So I have a new place to work today. Yesterday I had to go into a meeting, and so I went into a meeting and my boss was like, "Hey, you're moving departments tomorrow." And I was like, "Oh." And that is kind of a big deal because I have to go through training again, and I literally just got comfortable in my job. Like, I've been there for a month and like 4 days, and they've already switched me. And it's weird because someone else from the team, like someone just joined our team, and he's coming from the team that I'm not going to. So he's going through training and now I'm going through training. It's kind of like a waste of everybody's time and energy. I guess it's all office politics. I don't know what's going on, but it's above me and it's above my pay grade. So I'm fine with it, I guess. I hope today goes well. I'm working in a building that I can walk to, and it's like right on the campus, and so that's kind of nice. Yeah, we'll see how it goes.
Officer of the Christian Broadcasting Network, the president of
What did you think, Sarah? I think that it is a very complex subject, and with the right different kinds of nerves in your brain that you can understand and comprehend the different varieties of computer science, intelligence, but unfortunately due to our incompetence in cybersecurity, we were unable to fully understand and fully absorb what was going on. How long did we stay? 0.2 seconds. And then Amy's phone went off.
Stop! That was embarrassing. I'm scared. Oh my gosh, my water's I'm scared. Oh no.
Good morning. I decided to vlog today because this is gonna be another fun day. It is a Saturday morning, and I woke up about an hour ago, around 9, because I thought I was meeting a girlie to get my wedding dress, but she is coming right now. It's about 10, and I am starting some chicken tortilla soup in the crock pot so we can have it later. It's a beautiful day. I've already showered, read my Bible, and now I'm just waiting for my wedding dress to get here. I'm so excited. I've got the money. I'm on my way to get my dress. Okay, well, here I am. I walked out of my dorm with a wedding dress. I don't want the whole campus to know that I just bought my wedding dress, but I said yes to the dress.
What?
So I just had a little bit of lunch, and now I'm taking out the trash and going out on a boat with Mark. It's gonna be so fun. I love doing stuff with him.
She's a Mona Lisa.
That was 70s theme.
Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. You see her walking down the boulevard. She got the posture of a superstar.
Towards Virginia Beach.
She looks so high, you can't put your lights. Yeah, all the lights, all the skies shining like cause and all the dudes are trying to score like it's fever. She lives a double life, puts on a show. What's under the subtle smile? We'll never know. She's a Mona Lisa.
They just came by for the first time. Oh my
told you
gosh.
There must be something better for features. You found
Wow.
the beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her.
Did you really?
There must be something that features.
Oh my.
Let me paint a picture. I see they don't understand. Feeling like Picasso. Looking fine, so no wonder they can't match that Louis V scarf or I'm chilling with a dad. Whoa, slow it down like that. Just hold me down like that. Yeah. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something that features. You'll find the beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something that features. You'll find the beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. She's a Mona Lisa.